Hey everyone, and welcome to. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of GIFs and how you can easily create your own using Canva, a free and intuitive design platform. Imagine adding some playful animation to your social media posts, website, or even personal projects. With GIFs, the possibilities are endless. So, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Head over to Canva and click Create Design at the top. Select a size that best suits your needs. Remember, your goal is to create a clear and engaging GIF, so consider where you'll be using it when making your choice. Let's start building your animation. Drag and drop a subscribe button element onto your canvas. Next, search for an arrow and choose one that complements the button. Now, the magic happens. Select an animation for your arrow. How about a smooth bounce effect? Don't forget to adjust the speed to your liking. It's the button's turn to shine. Choose an animation for it too, maybe a subtle pulse to attract attention. Play around with sizes and positions until you achieve the perfect balance. Click the Share button and download your creation. Choose the GIF option in the File Format menu, and voila! You've just made your very own GIF. But the fun doesn't stop there. Experiment with different elements, animations, and speeds to create unique GIFs for any occasion. Add them to your pictures, surprise your friends and family, or even use them for marketing purposes. The possibilities are truly limitless. Remember, creativity thrives with practice. So, keep exploring, keep animating, and keep sharing your awesome GIFs with the world. And don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more creative tips and tricks. We've got tons of exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned. See you next time.